I'm going to introduce you to Photoshop for your skin. Yes, our instant smoothing primer is magic. It is literally like photoshopping your skin. So you'll see, you take one application of this. It is nice and waxy type of finish. So generally 2 pumps is more than enough, but you might love it so much that you might want to put 3 pumps of product onto your skin. So you can't see it, completely translucent, and it starts to fill the skin. You're definitely going to love it and want to apply more, because I've done 2 pumps, and you'll see it becomes like a powder finish on the skin, powdery finish. This product is to be used on top of your sunblock and under foundation. And if you're not going to wear foundation that day, you can use this as your finishing product on top of your BB cream. But this really is the last step, and it gives the skin that beautiful, flawless finish where you're ready now to apply your foundation. All done.